Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Earlier this year, Xiaomi revealed two flagship phones, the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. Yesterday, to celebrate the company's 10th anniversary, Xiaomi is adding to the Mi 10 lineup. They launched the Mi 10 Ultra, which comes with impressive camera specs, 50-watt wireless charging, and 120-watt wired charging. Why not take a look with us? So first things first, let's unbox the phone. You may have seen tons of these unboxing videos yesterday, so we're not gonna illustrate that. What really impressed me is the 120-watt wired charger. Though it looks almost the same as Mi 10 Pro's 65-watt charger, the weight is a huge difference. The 65-watt charger weighs 110 grams, while the 120-watt charger weighs 182 grams. That's really heavy, almost the same as a phone. Anyway, let's move to the Mi 10 Ultra. The Mi 10 Ultra has a 6.68-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 800 nit brightness, 10-bit color depth, and curved edges. What do you think of this kind of hole-punch design? Let us know in the comment below. Each screen panel is individually calibrated for color accuracy, and the display has a 120Hz refresh rate. Just to give you an idea of how it performs, our partner did a slow motion demo of that. Isn't that ultra smooth? And here are more samples of video viewing on this amazing display. Now to the camera. While the Mi 10 Pro boasts a 108-megapixel camera with 50x hybrid zoom and 8K capture mode, the Mi 10 Ultra promises a 48-megapixel periscopic telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, 120x hybrid zoom, and 8K video capture. That's similar to zoom on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Mi 10 Ultra also has a 48-megapixel main camera, 20-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 128-degree field of view, and a 12-megapixel portrait camera. You can check out some of the photo samples from our partner iPhone Tech. We'll also release some original 8K footage from Mi 10 Ultra later. Stay tuned. For others, the Ultra comes with a 4500 mAh dual-cell battery. Just like the Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, the Mi 10 Ultra offers wireless charging, but unlike those models which support 30-watt wireless charging, the Mi 10 Ultra offers 50-watt wireless charging. Xiaomi claims you can get the full charge in 40 minutes going this route. And with 120-watt charging, Xiaomi claims it will fully juice up in 23 minutes and hit 41% after just 5 minutes. That's just unbelievable. It comes with 3 colors: ceramic black, silver, and transparent, which pay homage to 3 of Xiaomi's classic designs, a fitting tribute for the 10th anniversary device. For the price and availability, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.